Hi everyone, welcome back to Surakshyaan. Today we are discussing malware. So what's a malware? A malware is simply a software that is malicious in nature. Hence the name malware, malicious software. Now depending on what that malicious behavior is, there are different type of malwares. For example, we have virus. A virus simply damages the computer or steals data, and it also has the capability to replicate itself. Then we have adwares. Adwares are softwares which show pop-ups and ads on a system, either computer or mobile device. Then we have ransomware. Ransomware are malicious softwares which are installed on a system, and they encrypt all the data which is present on that system, and it asks for a ransom from the victim in order to decrypt all that data. Then we have info stealers. Info stealers are softwares that steal informations like browser cookies, cache, history, password, etc., and uploads it over to a remote server, which is obviously under attacker's control. Then we have spyware. Spyware is a malicious software which basically does nothing, but it simply sits on a computer and it watches. It simply allows you to spy on someone by installing a spyware on their device. For example, a lot of parents install spyware on their children's device in order to see what their kids are up to. So let's say you downloaded a file from the internet and you want to find out whether this file is malicious or not. How do you do that? You can simply go to VirusTotal, upload that file here, and VirusTotal will tell you whether that file is malicious or not.